What's up, guys? And now we're doing another collection update. So yeah, and for this update, I have 5 Blu-rays and 7 DVDs to show you. And the first 5 DVDs I got at Barnes and Noble, and the 5 Blu-rays and the other 2 DVDs I got at FYE. So yeah, I'll go into more detail when we get to them. So yeah, so let's just start with the Blu-rays like I usually do. And the first one is a movie by Francis Ford Coppola, and this includes the theatrical and redux cuts of Apocalypse Now, which, surprisingly, I've never seen this movie, but it looks really good, and I know a lot of stories about the making of it. So yeah, Apocalypse Now. I know it took like 5 years to make, so yeah. The next Blu-ray is, I think it's a horror movie, and it came out like like a couple years ago. I think in 2015. Yeah, 2015. And I heard this movie was used with like animatronics instead of CGI, which is pretty good. And it is Krampus. So yeah, Krampus. It looks really good. I heard it was pretty good. So yeah, Krampus. This next one I saw in the theater when it came out, and it is Unbroken. And this is actually a really good movie. If you have not seen this, I highly recommend that you do. So yeah, Unbroken. Definitely a great movie. This next one is a horror film, and it stars Emily Blunt and John Krasinski. And it is A Quiet Place. I've actually haven't seen this movie, but I know it came out like this year, I believe. So yeah, A Quiet Place. And the last Blu-ray stars the late great Robin Williams, and it's the 25th anniversary edition of Good Morning Vietnam. Yep, I haven't seen this movie yet. So yeah, Good Morning Vietnam. It looks good though. Alright, so those are the Blu-rays. Now on to the first 5 DVDs that I got at Barnes & Noble. And then the last 2 I got at FYE, like I said. So yeah. And the first DVD is, it was nominated for 6 Academy Awards, and it won Best Writing, Best Screenplay. It did say Best Writing on here, but I'm not sure if it's an adapted screenplay or an original screenplay. Not really sure. And it's The Crying Game. So yeah. I haven't seen this movie yet. So yeah, The Crying Game. This next one, I definitely know about and I've seen bits and pieces of, but I've never seen the full thing. It stars Anne Bancroft, Dustin Hoffman, and Catherine Ross. Dustin Hoffman actually stars in this movie. And this one, he got his first Oscar nomination. I think he was like 30 years old when he was in this. And he plays a college student. And it is The Graduate. I definitely know about this movie, and I know how it ends. And the ending is kind of confusing. But yeah, The Graduate. Can't wait to watch the full thing of this movie. This next one is another Francis Ford Coppola film. And it is... and it's based on a novel by S.E. Hinton. And it is The Outsiders. I actually haven't seen this movie. I know it's a classic, though. So yeah, The Outsiders. This next one is a horror movie from the director of Saw and Insidious. And it's based on the true case files of the Warrens. And it is The Conjuring. I heard this movie was amazing, so I definitely want to see this. Definitely want to watch this movie, and I'm sure it's great. So yeah, The Conjuring. And the last DVD that I got at Barnes & Noble stars Dylan Baker, Rochelle Itis, Leslie Bibb, with Anna Paquin, and Brian Cox. and it is Trick or Treat. I heard this movie was supposed to be really good, so yeah, can't wait to watch this. So yeah, Trick or Treat. Might have to watch it next year for Halloween next year. So yeah, Trick or Treat. And here are the two DVDs that I got at FYE. The first one is a season set of a TV show, and surprisingly, I've never seen this show. And it is The Sopranos Season 1. Cannot wait to watch this show. I heard it was supposed to be, like, really amazing. So, definitely want to check it out. So, yeah, The Sopranos. Might be my new obsession. If I watch it, yeah. And the last one stars James Caan and Kathy Bates, and it's based on a novel by Stephen King. And Kathy Bates won Best Actress for this at the 1991 Oscars. 1990, 1991, yeah, somewhere around there. And it is Misery. I haven't seen the full thing of this movie yet, but I definitely have seen some, like, bits and pieces of it. And it does look really, really good. So, yeah, Misery. So, that's gonna do it for my collection update for November 8th, 2018. Hope you all enjoyed, and see you later. Bye.